Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own sweet potato flour at home, naturally, gluten-free, nutritious and perfect for fufu, baking and more. Let's get started guys. All you need for this recipe is sweet potatoes, no additives, no preservatives, just pure goodness. Start by washing your sweet potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then you're going to slice them into thin, even pieces. The thinner the slices, the faster they'll dry. You're then going to be transferring this into a bowl. You put enough water to soak your potatoes. You're going to be soaking these potatoes for 3 to 4 days. I soaked mine for 4 good days, but you have to be changing the water every morning. So this is the first day. I'm going to be washing the potatoes again, then I'll put in fresh water. This is the third day and this is how it's looking like. I'm still going to repeat the same process. So I'm going to drain out the water now. Alright people, so this is the last day. This is the last day of soaking it. Now I'm going to pour the water and dry it. We're making what? What are we making?
We're making
The netos. That's potato fufu. Now to make your potato fufu, you're going to put water in a pot. When your water is almost boiling, you are simply going to put the potato flour and turn it until your fufu is so smooth and stretchy. Guys, at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do what to click on the subscribe button, like the video and share. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna see you on my next video, guys. Bye.